Hi everyone, I'm Jamina, and welcome to this video. If you've missed any of the videos in this series, the links are in the description. In this video, I'm over in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to add a book and a pen to the coffee table. So let's get started. Let's start with the book clip. I'm going to click on this monitor, which is going to put it up in the source monitor. Then I'm going to reach up, grab the video, and drop it on the track. Next, I'm going to add my two favorite effects, the drop shadow and the brightness and contrast effect, by grabbing them and dropping them onto the effects control panel. Up in the effects control panel, I'm going to click on position. Now I'm going to reposition the book and put it on the table. Let's get a little closer so we can have a better look. Now let's add a pen. Let's go with this one. Let's get a little bit closer. Now let's grab the pen clip from the source monitor, drop it onto the timeline, extend it, and add a crossfade to the beginning. Let's also add a crossfade to the beginning of the book. Up in the effects control panel, I'm going to click on position so I can pull it down. Let's click on scale and resize it and pull it down onto the table. Now I'm clicking on the book clip so I can copy the drop shadow and brightness and contrast effect and pasting it onto the pen clip. Now I'm going to adjust the effects on the book. Now let's adjust the effects on the pen. Let's move a little closer. Now I'm going to extend these clips and add in clips of the pen in different positions. Let's go with this one. Let's extend the clip. Cut it by hitting C for the cutting tool, right click, and exchanging with clip and source monitor. This will put the effects that are already on the clip on the timeline on the clip I exchanged it with, so I don't have to resize it or position it. Let's do the book also. Let's pick this one with the book open to the center of the book. Let's cut the book clip and replace it with clip and source monitor. I'm going to put a crossfade on the book clip. Now let's add another pen clip. Let's do this one. Click on it and put it in the source monitor. Right click and replace with clip in source monitor. In the effects control panel, I'm going to click on position and move the pen onto the table. Let's reposition everything. Let's add another position of the pen. Let's go with this one. Click on this monitor so it goes in the source monitor. Now right click and replace with clip and source monitor. Let's click on position and position this one on the other side of the book. Let's do another one. This one, click on it to put it in the projects monitor, then click on the projects monitor to put it in the source monitor. Then extend the clip and cut it, then right click on the clip and click on replace clip with clip in source monitor. This time, instead of cutting the clip, let's make a copy by holding the Alt key, clicking on the clip and dragging it. To close this gap, I'm going to right click and hit ripple delete. Now I'm going to click on position and reposition it on the book. Let's do another one. Let's go with this one. Cut it by hitting C for the cutting tool, right click and exchanging with clip in source monitor. Let's see what it looks like. Looks good. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.